Hey designers, let's quickly make this simple text animation, and I'll also show you how you can create hundreds of variations later. First, grab the text tool and type your desired text. Then go to the expanded properties, click Animate, and choose Position. Move the Y value downward to make the text drop. Next, click Add Property and select Opacity, setting it to 0 so it fades in as it moves. Open Range Selector 1 and click the stopwatch next to Offset to set a keyframe. Move the time bar to the 1-second mark and change the offset value to 100%. This makes your text appear one by one. Now go to Advanced and change the shape from square to ramp up. This makes the letters appear gradually instead of all at once. If some letters are still showing in the first frame, increase the offset value a bit more to hide them completely. The offset basically controls how far the animation has moved. Increasing it makes more letters appear. Move the time bar between the first and second frame to see how the animation looks, then try changing the ease high and ease low values. Ease high makes the animation end faster and smoother, while ease low makes it start softer and slower. Play with both to get different results. Next, turn on motion blur. This adds a natural blur to the moving text, making it look smoother. Earlier, we changed the Y position to move the text up or down. Set the Y value back to 0, and now adjust the X position to move it sideways. Increasing the X value makes the text come from the right, and using a negative value makes it come from the left. If you used negative Y before, the text would come from the top instead of the bottom. So by changing these values, you can control the direction your text comes from. Now let's change the shape from ramp up to square to see how it looks. You'll notice that the text appears on the screen, moves out, and then comes back again. Move the timeline indicator to the first frame and adjust the offset value until not all letters are visible. This helps you control where the animation starts. When the offset reaches 0, all the letters move in together, which helps you clearly understand what the offset actually does. It decides which part of the text is currently being animated. Now preview the animation. You can see how, just by changing a few numbers, you can create completely new and interesting text animations. Try increasing the ease high value. This makes the text end more quickly and smoothly. Then, lower the ease low value to see how it changes the starting motion. It will begin slower and build up speed. Keep testing both to find the style you like. Next, look at the smoothness option. It's set to 100% by default. If you lower it, the text movement becomes sharper and less flowing, while keeping it high makes the movement softer and smoother. Now move the second keyframe closer to the first one to make the animation faster. After that, adjust the ease high and ease low again to see how the motion reacts. Increasing ease low makes letters appear more gently, while increasing ease high makes them leave faster. Change the shape from square to round to get a softer effect overall. On the first frame, increase the offset value again, so all letters start off screen. You'll see that raising ease high makes the letters fly out quickly, while lowering ease low makes them appear more gradually. By playing with these small settings, you can create completely new and unique text animations. And if you increase the offset value even more, you'll notice that any remaining letters that were left behind will now also move out completely. Now for the last part, let's change the shape from ramp down to smooth and see how it looks. You'll notice that the animation becomes much softer and more natural. This way, you can easily build your own custom text effects without needing a new tutorial every time. Just tweak the offset, shape, and ease values to get endless variations. I hope this video helped you understand how simple changes can completely transform your animation. If you found it useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.